Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate the GWT or the JSON Web Token in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here, a guide that will go through it so we can learn more on how creating or generating our GWT token. So basically, all we need to do first is to start creating a private key in X509 certificate. And basically, this one is just a certificate that you will need to download so you can have the open SSL stuff in some security stuff. So basically, you will need just to go and set the OpenSSL conf path of your API, and then you will need just to start generating an RSA key by executing this command in your console. And basically, it will generate a new key, and after that, you will need to create a key file from the server .pass.key file. And by using this OpenSSL command, you will be able to create this key file that will be generated. And basically, you will need to request and generate the certificate that you will be able to use. So after you generate your SSL certificate, you will be able to create a GWT connected app in Salesforce. So after you have it, your certificates, you can be able to start connecting your app in Salesforce with your authentication. So basically, you will need just to go to setup and search for your connected app. So here from connected app, by going here, connected, and from here we will find manage connected app, and basically you will need to enable the OAuth settings, and from there you will need to add your URL that has your SSL certificate. So basically you are going to use your digital signature. You select all this information, and basically here you will choose the file of your certificates, and by adding it you will be able to get the client ID and the client secret, and that's it. So those are on how you can set up your GWT uh, token. Thank you for watching and see you next time.